Hi everyone, it's me Bang from Perfect Homes, and today I'm going to show you the condo in the middle of Chiang Mai city. And now I'm just standing here at the swimming pool of the VIENG Santitham condo. The room that I'm gonna show you today is 1 bedroom, 1 bathroom, and come with 37.64 square meters. And you know, the facility here is just so great because they will provide you the swimming pool, the gym at the back of me there, and 24 hours of security service from the touristic office of this condo, the security guard, and the CCTV camera all around the building. And also, the way that you can access the building or your condo is to use the key card and your face scan. It just sounds so great, right? There is something more, which is the location. Because as I told you, it's located in the middle of Chiang Mai city. So it's just close to the fresh market called Gat Thanin, and also the Maharaj Nakhon Chiang Mai Hospital, Old Town, and International Airport of Chiang Mai city. So I think all of you guys that listening to me would like to see the room inside already. So follow me please, let's go. And now I'm here in the room, and this room located on the 4th floor. So first step when you come to the room, it will be the living area. So on my right hand side here, this is the shelf for put your shoes. And next to it will be dining table and chair for 4 people. And right there is the sofa and the sofa bed. You also have the little table that you can put the glass of your drink or anything, the snack, while you're watching the TV over there. And there also the shelf to put your TV and the shelf to decorate your room as you want. In this living area, also have one air conditioner over there. Let's see the next area of this room. This one is the bedroom. So when you enter to the bedroom, this will be the mirror, the wardrobe, very big one, and you have like bed and mattress here, 5 feet size. And you also have the little table next to the bed, so you can put your phone, your drink over there. Opposite to the bed is the TV shelf. You can put your TV here, or you can decorate by yourself. You can put anything you want right here. And in this bedroom have one air conditioner here. In this bedroom, when you stay here, you can access to the restroom by this door, so you can just open it. And another way to access this restroom is from the door in the living area. Right? When you access to this restroom, you will see a very big, beautiful mirror right here. You have sink, you have toilet area, you have shower area separate by this slide door. Now let's see the kitchen. So this kitchen is separate from the living area by this door. You have this slide door so you can protect the smell from the kitchen to the living area or any part of the room. In this kitchen, you will have the fridge, you have a very big counter here with the sink, and you also have the shelf up here and down here to keep all your equipment about cooking or anything you want. And here also have the microwave. Next to this counter is the washer. You have washing machine here, and next to it you have the slide door that you can go outside to the balcony and hang your clothes for drying it. Hey, how's the room that I just showed you? I think many of you guys would like to make an appointment to see the room with me already, right? So before we go to that point, let me tell you about the information of this room once again. This room comes with 1 bedroom, 1 bathroom with 37.64 square meters for the usable area, and it also comes with the great facility that you can see behind me. The swimming pool, the gym, 24 hours of security service from security guard, the jurisdict of this condo, CCTV camera, and also the key card or the face scan to access the building. It's just so great and safe, right? And also, this condo also great for investment or also for you to stay in here because the location is so great. It's very close to Siri Watana Fresh Market, the Old Town, Maharaj Nakhon Chiang Mai Hospital, and Chiang Mai International Airport. It will just take you like 5 to 15 minutes to go to that important places. So, I think many of you would like to make an appointment with me. So, please call me here to make an appointment or ask me any question about this room. And before we go, please like, share, and subscribe our channel. I will see you next time. Bye bye. Thank you.